Recently, I've stopped selling physical products using Amazon and their FBA model, but that doesn't mean I've stopped making money using their platform. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 different ways that you can make money using Amazon without selling a single product. I actually made a video about this 2 years ago, but a lot has changed since, so look at this one as an update video, and let's start off with the first way, which is the Amazon Associates program. This has been and probably will always be the easiest way that you can actually start making money on Amazon, whether it's selling physical products or not, and the way you can start is really simple. Basically, if you've got like a YouTube channel, a social media presence, or let's say like a website, then you can go ahead and sign up for the Amazon Associates program. From there, you can go ahead and recommend any products that are on the Amazon site using a special link that you can create, and if the person watching or reading your content goes ahead and buys that product, then you will earn some money in the form of a commission. Let's use myself as an example. Right now I'm currently reading this book, which is called How to Win Friends and Influence People, and I'm actually really enjoying this book, and what I'm actually going to do is leave a link to this book in the description down below. Now, I'm not saying that you should, but if you were to go ahead and click the link down below and buy this book, then Amazon is going to pay me some kind of commission in a form of a thank you for recommending this product. This will actually only be around 2 to 3% of the actual sale, which doesn't sound like much right now, and it doesn't sound like much on, let's say, an £8 book, but let's say this video does get thousands of views and potentially thousands of people click on that link and buy that product, then you can really start to see how this income stream can be quite a good one. Next up on the ways that you can make money on Amazon without selling any products is through Kindle Direct Publishing. This is where you can go ahead and create self-published ebooks where people can go ahead and download them and use them on their Kindles. And then of course, every download that you get will result in some form of royalty that you will receive, and the payouts in comparison to other self-hosting websites have actually known to be quite generous. Unlike Amazon affiliates, depending on what royalty plan you sign up to, you can actually earn up to 70% in royalties for your self-published ebook, and in the last year, Amazon paid out $39.8 million in royalties to people doing this. I've actually got a couple of small ebooks myself that I'm going to be uploading to KDP over the next couple of weeks hopefully, and I'll definitely make a video in the future updating you guys on my progress. Next up on the list is actually going to be investing into Amazon stock. So basically what Amazon is, it's actually classed as what is called a public company, which basically means that anybody in the world can go ahead and buy shares of the company and actually own a small part of it. From here, if Amazon continues to grow as a company, which it looks like it probably will, so will your investment, and you'll be able to pocket some nice gains from that along the way. If we actually go ahead and take a look at the all-time chart here for the stock, as you can see, the trend is pretty positive. Yeah, it has had its blips along the way, just like every other stock, but if you're patient enough and you believe that Amazon will be staying around for the future, the likelihood is your money will definitely appreciate. Now, if you did want to buy a share of Amazon, I definitely suggest doing this through an easy to use app like Trading 212. This is where I buy all of my individual stocks, and if you sign up using my link down below, then you will actually get a free share worth up to £100 in value. Although I do have to say one thing, when it comes to investing into any company, do remember that your money is at risk and only invest money that you can afford to lose. Next up on the ways to make money on Amazon without selling products is using an app called Amazon Flex. Essentially what you'll be doing through the Amazon Flex app is actually delivering packages for Amazon, but it's a lot more different to the typical day-to-day delivery driver job. Basically what you get to do through the Flex app is you get to determine when you want to work. So you can pick where you want to work, how many hours you want to work, and how many parcels you want to deliver and things like that. Basically what I like to look at it is as the kind of Uber for Amazon delivery drivers. This was actually a really popular way back in the pandemic when people were looking for extra ways to make money to supplement their loss of income. I'll leave a link to download Amazon Flex in the description down below, but essentially once you've signed up and you've met all the criteria, then you're pretty much ready to go. Next up on the list of ways to make money on Amazon without selling products is creating listings for Amazon sellers. Now, with every single product on Amazon, you're definitely going to need a good quality picture, some high quality graphics, and definitely some good sales copy as well. Otherwise, the product probably won't sell at all. This is, of course, where the opportunity for somebody that is interested in either photography, graphic design, or copywriting comes into play. There are so many different things that you can offer when it comes to an Amazon product listing. You could individualize on each of the different areas, or you could offer them all as one package. The opportunities in this area is absolutely endless. This is actually a really good opportunity to make money on Amazon, because whilst not every single Amazon seller is good at photography or graphic design or anything like that, one thing they are good at is their numbers, and they know the importance of being able to sell and the importance of having a service like this. If you actually go ahead and take a look on a website like Fiverr, you can see the demand for a service like this, and with all the new AI tools around making life easier for everyone, I actually think this is a really easy way that people people can start making some really good money with. Just check this guy for example. He currently charges £63.25 per listing, and he's actually got 15 orders in the queue from people wanting his services. So they are my top 5 ways of making money on Amazon without selling any products. However, I did want to go ahead and give you a couple of my honorable mentions that didn't quite just make the list. Firstly, you have Merch by Amazon, where you can go ahead and create t-shirt designs and have Amazon print them and sell them for you. You then have Audible, where you can go ahead and create voiceovers for audiobooks, and you can also use their affiliate program to recommend people onto that platform. From there, you have Product Sourcing, where you can actually go ahead and find profitable products for sellers, and they will pay you in the form of like a finder's fee. And then finally, you can offer prep services to Amazon sellers, where you will essentially act as a middleman between the seller and an Amazon FBA distribution center. A good example of this being a really good service is if you have a client, aka the Amazon seller, that is based in the USA that wants to sell in the UK, but you're based in the UK, what they can do is order their products online from UK stores, have them sent to your prep center, and then they can send that to Amazon without them having to pay really high shipping fees. But there you go, they're my best ways of making money on Amazon without selling physical products. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.